Welcome to JH. Have you heard of the Ontel Handy Heater? It's a wearable neck heater that promises hands-free warmth with 4 adjustable settings and something called comfort heating technology, which is usually just marketing speak for "it gets hot." It sounds incredibly convenient, but the real question is whether it's actually legit or just another gadget destined for your junk drawer. Let's dive in and see if it's worth the hype. First, let's talk about quality. Many users actually find it comfortable and claim it works quite well as a neck warmer. They describe it as soothing and reliable, which is a relief since nobody wants to walk around with a lukewarm plastic collar. Some even use it regularly and are perfectly happy with the performance. Of course, looking like you're wearing a futuristic neck brace might not be for everyone, but at least you'll be a warm fashion victim. When it comes to heat performance, people love how quickly it takes the chill off. Some even use it for chronic neck pain and swear it helps. Sure, a few reviews mention that the temperature can fluctuate or that the plastic design isn't exactly luxury, but most users feel the warmth is a major benefit. It turns out that having a personal heater strapped to your jugular is actually quite effective. Then there's the battery life, where customers are refreshingly honest. Some say it holds a decent charge and appreciate the multiple heat levels. Others mention that, over time, the battery starts to lose its stamina, much like my motivation on a Monday morning. At least there are no hidden surprises here. You know exactly what you're getting, for better or worse. Comfort is another big topic, and experiences definitely vary. Some find it cozy and warm, while others complain that it feels heavy or that the fit is awkward. It turns out human necks aren't one-size-fits-all, which must have been a shocking discovery for the design team. The reviews give a realistic picture, showing that your experience will largely depend on your personal tolerance for wearing tech on your shoulders. Finally, let's talk value for money. Opinions are split, as usual. Some feel it's a great investment or a perfect gift, while others think it's a bit pricey for something with potential charging issues. The mix of opinions is actually a good sign, as it helps new buyers make a smarter choice. So, is the Ontel Handy Heater legit? Yes, it's a real product from a known brand with genuine reviews. It's definitely not a scam, though it has enough plastic to make an environmentalist weep. Just make sure it fits your specific needs before you buy. Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.